Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to sign up in Character AI by mobile. So first thing, you need to go and download the Character AI app from your Google Play or Apple Store. And now let's get started. Sign up. And here you can create an account. So you can either continue with Google, Facebook, Discord, or Apple, or put your email address and password. I will continue with my Google. Like this. And now I need to put my username. And understand and agree to the policies. And here we are. Here are our chats. Here I can create a character and choose public unleashed private chats. And voila. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.